What's up, guys? BVF Collection here. Today I got two amazing packages I'm about to open. I think I know what this one is, and I've been anticipating this moment all day. So let's get right into it. I don't want to say what it is quite yet, but hopefully it's what I think it is. Oh, yeah, got this going. Now we gotta open this up. I like the double packaging. Yup, this is what I was thinking. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the ifykyk hoodie. There's a tag. Let's go. Oh, this is great. Great condition. Oh my gosh, I gotta see the back. Oh my gosh, it's in amazing condition. It's so tiny. Look at this thing. Amazing. Wow, great condition. Extremely good condition. And then here's the front. This is dope. This is awesome. And just to show you guys the tag, it's a small. Okay, that's that. I gotta open up the other one quickly. Crap. Okay. Whew. The next one, something I can wear. I'm just as excited, if not more. Ooh, I like this wrapping. That hoodie's such good condition though. I'm so happy about that. Oh. Oh, let's go. Oh my gosh. I present to you the great grade 8 Japan exclusive archive hoodie. Let's see that back. Ooh. Super clean. Oh my gosh. Super clean. Sleeve tags. Pretty clean still. Cracked, but still clean. I want to see this logo. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's pristine besides that right there. It's like brand new. It's beautiful. And it's an extra large and it can fit me. Extra large. So, this is what I've been anticipating all day. I got it. Thanks for watching.